Y'all, I just made a whole video breaking down how you can buy a tax lien property in Alabama, and it deleted. Okay, so in the state of Alabama, you can purchase tax lien properties year round. Now, they gonna look like that. But does that matter when you trying to build wealth? Okay, so let's break down how you gonna go about this. Okay, so in the state of Alabama, you are going to go to the state of Alabama's Department of Revenue's tax delinquent property section. This is how you apply for properties in the state of Alabama year round. It's also some other sites that you can use, but directly from the state, that's the site that you go on. So I'm just going to break down what I did, and then maybe y'all can put two and two together. So I was driving around. I saw this property. It was looking crazy, okay? The taxes was behind on it a lot. So I did do a counter with the state. You cannot do counters anymore. But I basically offered them $500. They came back. They was like, nah, we'll give it to you for $7. So I sent them within 20 days after receiving my price quote. After I applied through the state site, I received a price quote. And on that quote, they told me, how much I had to pay. I paid that. I got the property and I immediately cut the grass and started boarding it up. But the title to the property still was not clear. But technically it was, but not clear for me. So what I did was actually the owner and I met on Facebook, and he quit claimed it over to me for an extra little fee. And at that point, I was trying to decide whether or not I was going to get a mortgage or and fix it up, or whether I was just going to use my own money and just fix it up here and there. But yeah, life happened, and of course I'm no longer in Alabama, so I decided to sell it. So I bought it for $700, and that's what I sold it for. Now, once you apply through the state site, that's how you get it. You go apply. It's no cost to apply. It's nothing to apply. Okay? But what you all have to learn is how to research, because the research is what's gonna make you not make mistakes like this and stuff like that. But I don't really call this a mistake. I call this a life happened, so I had to let it go. Every property that you apply for through the state, you want to go to the county tax assessor site after you apply, or before you apply. Before you apply, you want to go to the county tax assessor site and you want to research the hell up out of that property. I'm talking about, you need to know where the owners at, where they live at, if they married, if it's one owner, if it's two, if it's four, if it's five, do they got kids? Is it liens on it? Are they going through a divorce? You need to know all that. Case of this one, I had already saw that the owner purchased it as a foreclosure, so the title was practically clear. And so, yeah. But buying something for $700, holding it for 3 years, keeping up with the yard 2 or 3 times a year, and selling it for $40,000, I do it all over again. So if you enjoyed learning this, follow Encourage Millions on Instagram and on TikTok and on YouTube, because there are hundreds of videos, hundreds of live streams that I've done where I've broken this down. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this, and let me know what else y'all want to know. Drop a question.